What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy, comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&A. So hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff, so you don't miss any more content. Now, what we want to do is take our panel removal tool and come over here right to this side, and we want to pop it out like that, because all this is just one piece. So now that we got that right side popped, we got the left side popped pretty good. I should be able to take my hand and just kind of, use light pressure. Oh, light pressure, just like that. And then we will fold him just like that. Now, if you want to take this out, you can if you want to. If you're gonna unplug anything attached to anything dealing with the airbags, make sure you do not crank the car up, because that will shoot some check engine codes, or your they'll shoot some codes up on your instrument cluster, and that's just something that we don't want. So I usually keep mine plugged in. That way, you know what I'm saying, only if it's out the way, because you ain't gotta worry about that. Either way, we got 4 Phillips head screws, 2 right there and 2 right there, and we'll have that radio. All right, those 4 screws out. We can pull that radio out like this and start disconnecting harnesses. And as you can see, we have that radio out. Now let's get over here to our bench so we can get that dash prep. All right, y'all, so we're at the bench. We have the dash kit here. I will have all these links in the description for you. Now, I went ahead and did one side so you can see what it looks like. But what you're gonna do is basically take this and you're going to put it right over here, over these holes. And then you're gonna take the 2 screws that came, well, there's actually 4 screws. 4 screws that came with it, and you're gonna put 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side, and you're just gonna mount that just like this. So let me go ahead and get that other side ready. So this next step, I did kind of skip on y'all, but it's very, very simple. We just take the dash kit that we put together and we slide it over the radio, and then we take the screws that came with the radio and we put 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. Now that we have this mounted to it and it's looking very flush, very nice and neat, now we just get this thing wired up and get it back inside the car. All right, guys, we are back inside the car. We have that radio wired up. If it's your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over the wiring? Well, I have over 200 different radio removal and install videos, and it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. So to save time, I actually made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. I go over wire colors, connections, all that type of stuff. Yes, every car is different, but if you know the aftermarket wire colors and you buy the harness like you're supposed to, then you'll be able to install this CD player yourself. I also have a video showing you how to install a aftermarket radio if somebody has cut your wire harness, which is hardwire. I have a couple videos on that as well. Now, this vehicle also has steering wheel controls and a backup camera that needs to be retained, and I give that information to my Patreon users and my YouTube members. And the reason I do that is because you guys go the extra mile in supporting me, so I go the extra mile in giving you more details on how to go with installing all your stuff. So all that information, like tapping into the right wires for your steering wheel controls, how to use this thing to retain your factory backup camera, all that stuff goes to the Patreon and the YouTube community. So other than that, let me get this thing pushed back into the cavity so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. We got the steering wheel controls working how they're supposed to. We got the backup camera working how it's supposed to. If you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Those product links are in the description. Those Patreon links are in the description. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for helping support this channel so I can kind of do this thing full time. So until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.